Welcome to my YouTube channel Build Sketch Studio. In today's video, I am going to share top 9 interior design ideas for your house in 2026. This video is specially designed for those who want a modern, functional, and premium-looking home using smart materials, proper space planning, and practical lighting solutions. I will take you step by step through the entrance lobby, kitchen, living media wall, bedrooms, bathrooms, and ceiling designs, exactly as shown in this house. So let's start. Idea 1. Entrance lobby design with MDF grooves. First of all, let's talk about the entrance lobby, because this is the first impression of your house. Here, the walls are decorated using MDF sheets with vertical grooves, which give a very clean and modern look. The same design language is continued on the false ceiling, creating visual continuity. To enhance the design, warm rope lights are installed inside the grooves and ceiling edges. This indirect lighting creates a soft, welcoming atmosphere and adds depth to the space. This type of lobby design is perfect for modern homes in 2026 because it looks premium but remains minimal. Idea 2. Electric DB cover with MDF and mirror. Now, let's see how the electric DB, distribution board, is smartly covered. Instead of leaving it exposed, it is concealed using a custom MDF panel. On the front side, you can either use a mirror finish or paint it in the same wall color. This serves two purposes. It hides the electrical panel neatly. It enhances the visual appeal of the lobby. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in overall interior quality. Idea 3. Modular kitchen with built-in appliances. Now we move towards the kitchen area. Here, the kitchen is designed with proper built-in spaces for refrigerator oven, microwave cooking range. Everything is planned in advance so that all appliances fit perfectly without disturbing the workflow. Built-in kitchens not only look clean and organized, but also maximize storage and efficiency, which is a key trend for 2026 interiors. Idea 4. Living room media wall with fireplace. Next, let's talk about the living room media wall. The TV unit is placed exactly at the center, creating a strong focal point. At the bottom, a modern fireplace design is added, which gives a luxurious and cozy feel. On both the right and left sides, open shelves are provided for, decorative items, artificial plants, showpieces. This balanced layout makes the wall visually rich without looking overcrowded. Idea 5. Front lobby of rooms, design continuity. Now let's move towards the front lobby of both bedrooms. Here, the same design concept used at the main entrance is repeated. MDF grooved wall panels, false ceiling, soft rope lighting. This repetition creates design consistency throughout the house, which is a very important principle in professional interior design. Idea 6. Bedroom 1. Furniture and back wall design. Now we enter bedroom number 1. First, notice the bed placement, which is centered properly for comfort and symmetry. On both sides of the bed, side tables are provided, and table lamps are placed for soft, ambient lighting. The wardrobe is placed at the corner, making efficient use of available space. Behind the bed, the back wall is designed with MDF sheets combined with texture painting, giving the room a warm and elegant character. Idea 7. Bedroom media wall design. Now look at the front wall of the bed. Here, a media wall is created with TV placed at the center, a console unit at the bottom with drawers for storage. This setup keeps all wiring hidden and maintains a clean, hotel-like bedroom appearance. Idea 8. Bedroom 2. Modern material combination. Now let's move into bedroom number 2. The bed placement and side tables follow the same ergonomic planning. The bed back wall again uses MDF panels with texture paint, but here we also add wall-mounted lights for a more modern feel. The wardrobe is designed using a wooden and glass combination, which adds elegance and reflects light, making the room feel larger. The media wall in front of the bed is designed similar to bedroom 1, ensuring visual harmony. Idea 9. Bathroom space planning. Now let's enter the bathroom. The layout is planned very practically. First, the WC area, then the basin, and finally, the shower area. Dedicated shelf cabinets are provided for storage of toiletries and towels, keeping the bathroom organized and clutter-free. Proper zoning like this improves functionality and hygiene. Bonus: ceiling design with rope and linear lights. Before ending, let's look at the ceiling designs in the rooms. Here, a combination of rope lights. Linear blade lights is used to create a modern ceiling profile. This layered lighting approach enhances the room's mood and highlights architectural lines. So these were the top 9 interior design ideas for your house in 2026, focusing on smart planning, modern materials, and elegant lighting. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share,